I'm Federico Roveda, obnoxious flaky from Italy, the founder and the strategist behind Smarti. What's up? And I crafted this presentation for really share with others in the community and outside what's the meaning for the future for me and for my agency. And for me, is the future that we choose because is an intentional future that we would like to craft and bring our impact. So we envision a future where depth wins over noise, where ecosystems thrive beyond monopolies, and where diversity isn't erased but amplified. A future where technology empowers rather than controls, where brands are not just business but catalysts for real human connection. We believe in slowing down to build with intention, creating decentralized space where innovation, culture, and meaning intersect, shaping a world that values authenticity over scale and impact over speed. This is our vision for the future and also a sort of manifesto for me. And somehow we can't predict this kind of future, but we can create it together because only all together as a person, as a people, as a collective, as a co-creator, we can really have an impact and also amplify the impact for others, like helping small and medium business to preserve diversity, like David against Goliath. So we can amplify that kind of impact and preserve diversity. And this is what we do. We try to do with Smarti since 2004, is moving between this kind of space, tech, food, and branding, of course. Not as industries really, but as a space where we like to move, where we enjoy to stay, because everything for me comes from passion. And food, branding, and technology are the main area where we focus in, but it are also my big passion in life. So I always try to bring my passion in work, because otherwise I'm obnoxious flaky. I need to create constantly in a way that is really compelling to me. And so we help this kind of business and startups cut through the noise, not by following trends, but building brands with depth, clarity, and lasting impact. And I don't really like since 20 years from now with everyone, but with that kind of brand that really have an impact and really share our values and our vision. So that also deliver a meaning. And this is the kind of ecosystem that we like to build for the future. It's 20 years that we're on Smarti, and we developed over 300 projects across Europe. And right now we are moving again across the ocean with a collective, and where my journey was started also in your city 20 years ago. So I'm super happy to see this kind of flow and the ecosystem that we are building together. The space where we move is food, luxury, is everything about technology and the mechanical industry, because I'm really passionate about that kind of stuff. I'm really curious, so I always want to learn new things, and also I'm really fascinated about NFT, new technology, blockchain, AI, not for a trend, but because I see over there the shift for the future, and I really believe in a decentralized future where everyone matters, not only 5 big companies in the world. And some of our partner and customer around Europe. And today, for say what we do, I would like to present a project that we are delivering right now for a started restaurant here in Italy. Yeah, some of the process that we flow, starting from the essence, to the co-creation and flow and fluidity, because we drive our brand from the essence. Because I don't like the word, even if I use that kind of word, crafting or building a brand, because for me, brand is a discovery. It's never about crafting or building. So it's a discovery that deep dive into the foundation for find the meaning. Then is about co-creating. So align the team, take off the silos inside the company, and make possible that everyone are really aligned from inside itself in the direction of the vision. And finally, flow and fluidity, because we live in an era where everything changes in a minute. So we need to really flow and be fluid to understand how to move, how to thrive without too much rules, and but just with a guideline, with the scope that drive our intention. So the project that I bring today for share with the community is Magnolia, a star restaurant, two-star restaurant, Michelin here in Italy. And the big question over there was defining the future of meaningful experience in luxury food and hospitality. A question that I see across all this kind of space, so the luxury food and hospitality, and is really a kind of common problem, because people that living like in a tsunami, not in the own wave to surf, but like in a tsunami of chaos where someone else put our there, are looking for experience, for meaning. And one of the real luxury, even for a two-star restaurant, Michelin, is to deliver a meaningful experience. That kind of meaningful experience so big that can transform in memories. So don't leave after a dinner, but start before the dinner and during in the future, and is so strong that you enjoy to share that kind of experience with others, that kind of memories with others. And we start from the foundation, working with the team of Magnolia. We had some workshop together for aligning the team. We deliver as the first output a manifesto where sharing value is placed around restaurant and everyone can really understand. Then a culture books for preserve and pass the sense of the Magnolia culture. A brand playbook that drive pretty everything, but not with rules, just with suggestion, just with vision and insight, and how to really think in the way is compelling to the scope. And a learning platform for employee, but also for customer, because one of the main challenge was let customers experience what is behind the plates, the story. That's the real meaning of the choosing of each of the ingredients behind the methodology. Is really a crazy study over there. So we like to share this kind of experience in a learning platform before the dinner, and you can also have after. And finally, the holistic experience, so where everything comes together in for creating a meaningful experience behind food. And we really have to focus on all the journey and in all the touch point that deliver a contribute for the experience. Behind the scenes, I'm me, and yeah, I'm raised in Italy and New York City when I was young, and after that developed my career. but almost I have the fortune to have a really trusted people around me that are not only a team, but are also friends, where we share our journey and co-creation together.